Imagine this. You're standing on the golden sands of Byron Bay, one of Australia's most iconic surf spots. The water is turquoise, glassy, and calm. But then, you notice a strange splashing in the shallows. The water starts to churn not from waves, but from something else, something alive. This is exactly what happened at Tallow Beach, where dozens of sharks were just filmed in an incredible feeding frenzy, just meters from where people normally swim and surf. Local photographer Sonia Friedrich was the one who sent her drone up to investigate the commotion, and what she captured is absolutely breathtaking. The footage, which has since gone viral, shows a massive school of baitfish being herded into the shallows. Then, a shiver of sharks, that's the official term for a group of them, begins to tear through the bait ball. You can see their gray fins slicing through the water, the surface exploding in a flash of white as they lunge and feast. Sonia, who has lived in Byron for over 20 years, said she's never seen anything on this scale before. The aerial shots are mind-blowing. The sharks are so close to the shore you can practically count them, with the breaking waves just a few meters behind them. It's a scene straight out of a nature documentary, but it happened right at one of Australia's busiest beaches. Miraculously, no one was hurt. Lifeguards say most people were already out of the water, and those who weren't scrambled to shore pretty quickly once they saw what was happening. It's a powerful reminder that we're just visitors in their world. Now, marine experts want to reassure everyone that this kind of event, while dramatic, isn't totally out of the ordinary. At the start of summer, huge schools of baitfish, mullet, and tuna migrate along the New South Wales coast. And where there's a big meal, the big predators are sure to follow. We're talking bronze whalers and other whaler sharks, and sometimes even the legendary great whites. When the conditions are just right, like they were that day, these feeding frenzies can erupt in an instant and be over just as fast. So what makes this particular event so special? It's the footage. Thanks to high-resolution drones and smartphones, we're seeing the ocean in ways we never have before. What used to be seen only by scientists is now popping up on our social media feeds, creating a mix of total fascination and, let's be honest, a little bit of fear. But as experts point out, these sharks weren't hunting people. They were just taking advantage of an easy, all-you-can-eat buffet. Authorities have been quick to remind everyone that shark attacks are still incredibly rare, even in popular surf zones like Byron Bay, but a video like this can definitely make swimmers think twice. In response to these concerns, New South Wales has been experimenting with a combination of shark nets, drumlines, and increasingly, shark spotting drones. These drones can keep an eye on unpatrolled beaches without harming the sharks or other marine life, offering a modern solution to an age-old concern. For the local surfers in Byron, this is just part of the deal. They know they share the lineup with these powerful creatures. The unspoken rule is to always stay alert. If you see birds diving, baitfish scattering, or any unusual movement in the water, it's time to paddle in. Still, some people are asking if more can be done, like implementing real-time drone patrols and instant public alerts whenever a large group of sharks is spotted near the shore. It's a debate that is happening in coastal communities all around the world. How do we balance public safety with respecting a wild, thriving marine ecosystem? For now, the Tallow Beach feeding frenzy remains a stunning spectacle, not a tragedy. It was a rare moment where we got a front row seat to the raw power of the ocean's food chain, watching safely from the sand. As summer heats up and more people head to the beach, this event serves as a crucial reminder to stay aware and respect the wild beauty that lies just beneath the waves. What do you think? Would footage like this make you stay out of the water? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the wild side of Australia, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.